An update on a story the News 4 Tucson investigators have been looking into for nearly 6 years. A Cochise County man in prison for unspeakable acts involving children is now being sued by another one of his alleged victims.
Lupita Murillo has the latest in our News 4 Tucson investigators report.
We first told you about David Frodsham back in 2016 after he was arrested for sex crimes involving his foster kids. 2 of those children have already filed lawsuits. Now a third is seeking justice, not only against the man who abused him, but against the state for allowing it to happen in the first place.
Department of Child Safety is really a scandal in this state.
Tucson attorney Lynn Cadigan represents the 19-year-old victim in this case. We're not naming them because of the nature of the crimes they were subjected to.
It was severe sexual abuse, it was beating, and what people don't realize, it's the emotional abuse that's almost as damaging.
Cadigan says the abuse happened at the hands of this man, David Frodsham, who is now serving prison time after being convicted on multiple counts of sexual conduct with a minor. One of the Frodsham's adopted sons is now taking him to court.
He's had the bravery to come forward, file a complaint against his adoptive parents, and he's also filing a complaint against the Department of Child Safety.
The lawsuit filed this week by Cadigan claims DCS caseworkers missed or overlooked numerous red flags that Frodsham and his wife were not fit to be foster parents.
Why did the Department of Child Safety place children in the home of a pedophile, in the home of a woman who beat the children? Why did they do that? Why did they leave the children there?
Cadigan says that DCS and other child welfare agencies involved in previous cases have claimed immunity, saying they're not legally responsible for the abuse.
So who's responsible? If Department of Child Safety can pull a child out, put them in a home, and then claim it's not our job, whose job is it?
The News 4 Tucson investigators reached out to DCS for a comment. They told us in part, the safety of children is our top priority, and the department requires potential foster placements to undergo a thorough vetting process before issuing a foster license. If you have something you'd like us to look into, email us at investigators@kvoa.com or call the News 4 Tucson investigators tip line at 955-4444. Investigating for you, Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.